Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sammy. Excuse my voice, and I look like a freaking egg right now, but I don't really care. I just came back from the doctor, and I'm really not in the mood to like get cute or anything, even though I planned on filming today. I'm supposed to be getting another thing in the mail, but it's in transit right now, I think. Because the tracker said it's supposed to be here today. So, let me just check the tracker, because it's currently 11 o'clock. And mail's supposed to be coming soon. Oh, it says out for delivery. Since 7 o'clock this morning, so we'll see. But, no matter. I had a doctor's appointment today, and then I went to Target because it was in the area. So, I decided I was going to get something. Originally I was going to get two things, but I decided against it. But, well, first I got vitamin water because thirsty. And then I got Monsta X's All About Love version 1 album. So on the back it has a track list and the barcode. So it has Who Do You Love featuring French Montana, Love You, Happy Without Me, Got My Number, Someone, Middle of the Night, She's the One, You Can't Hold My Heart, Misbehave, Beside You featuring Pitbull, and Who Do You Love with the Will I Am remix. And this says new album includes hit singles, Middle of the Night and Who You Love, featuring French Montana, an 88-page photo book, individual member photo cards, group poster, a mirrored insert, and group photo card. This version 1. I didn't know there were 4 versions. I don't even know which version I bought Alexa. Do I have scissors? No, I don't keep scissors by my bed. Dear God. Oh my God, my parents would kill me if I did that. Okay, we're just gonna unwrap it now because I'm tired of talking. I should have cut my nails the other day anyway. So, just gonna rip this apart. Okay. I don't really care for this type of material. I don't know what this paper material. I'm pretty sure all my albums like that. Actually, no, my You Kiss one right here. Shit, that's gonna fall. My You Kiss one is it's like a present box kind of thing, and that's the full album right there. I don't think I ever actually unboxed this for you guys, but I got that in New York, so I keep it on my bedside thing. Hold on, I am really out of breath. I just deep throated my water, but whatever. Okay, so when you open it up, it looks like this, and then I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to know what it looks like because I bought my friend Alexa one, but okay. Wait. Oh, you can take this out. What the? Mylar mirrored insert on this. I don't know what this is. Oh, I just saw the photo cards. Nope, I'm not gonna look. Okay, I'm gonna use this to cover the photo cards because I don't want to look at them right now. I don't even want to know who I got. Okay. And then there's these things, which I'll look at later, but okay, so this is okay, I don't like how the CD's just in the back, just like not in something, but oh well. So let's just see here. Okay, I don't want to look at these just yet. Ooh. Okay, so let me just flip through the photo book really quick. Oh my God. Why is the first member I noticed is Keehan right here? Just like, yeah, okay. Shonen. Okay, this is, woo, okay. I just looked at this page and it's Hyungwon, I am, and I can't tell if that's Juhan or, I just looked at this page and oh my God, it looked really good. Okay, but like, can we talk about Hyungwon's little cake he got going on right here? I love how that's the first page of this. Okay, Shonu? Like, yes. Okay. Okay, let me just... Woo! I am. I could see, I could see why Alexa, you know, is conflicted between Hungwon and I am, because, whoop, let's see. I'm glad that it came. I'm glad that it came with a photo book, like, because you know how. Whoa, Kihyun. Okay, I was looking for Kihyun and then I found him. You guys know Kihyun is my bias of Monsta X. So yeah, enough of this. But I'm glad it came with like a book. But I do also wish that it came with like a CD holder thing, like the little insert, because I would feel a lot safer if it just fell off my bookshelf. I don't have any 2.4K albums for here, okay, but on my bed shelf little thing I have all of UKISS and EXO stuff and some 2.4K. But the only 2.4K thing I have is the banner I got from the concert. But anyway, so yeah, yeah, I would probably look through this whenever I'm feeling upset or something. But you gotta be in a mood to listen to Monsta X, I feel, so we're just gonna look at the inserts now. So I am Juhan. It says Juhani. Okay. Hungwon, Kihyun, Monsta. I haven't said Monsta X for Minhyuk and Shonyu. What is this? Oh, it's a lyric book. Okay, it's a lyric book. So now I can sing along to their English album. Okay, I don't know why, but this picture just makes me laugh. So, that's the lyric book. Oh, we got a poster. Okay. What? I don't know what to... Oh, it's a double-sided? I never had a double-sided poster before. Okay, so this side is just, like, group members. Okay, hold on. I got it. Okay, hold on. Why does Kihyun look like a freaking schoolboy? Do you see this? Like, okay. Everyone looks good, right? And then there's Kihyun looking small. Like, everyone looks cool, right? And then you see Kihyun just looking like a church boy. Actually, Shonen kind of looked like a church boy too, I'm sorry. And then the back. The back just looks like, okay, you guys ever go to a skating rink and you guys look at the carpet? That's what it looks like to me. I'm sorry, but it does. And I love how... Okay. Mixed. Okay, so, oh, okay. Mirror sheet instructions. Place poster on flat surface. Well, what? Oh, there's a concealed message? I didn't know that. Okay. So, photo cards. Okay, okay, on the back. Okay, okay, it has all the members on one side, like their names. Oh, it's just a mini version of the poster. Can you focus, iPad? Can you focus? I can't tell my iPad is focusing. Come on, iPad, focus. Okay, my iPad's not focusing today, but I got a group photo card. Okay, on the back it says which members you got. I got Juhan for this one. I don't even want to know who I got for the other one, but there we go, Juhan. And then, oh my god! Yes, he is my bias. That's my man. So I got Kihyun, and yep, I am very happy. But okay, so apparently I'm supposed to put the poster inside this, and then there's supposed to be a hidden message, but I'm not gonna do that later. I might do that later. I don't know. We'll see. But anyway, that was me unwrapping my Monsta X album. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you whenever my other thing gets here. If it gets here. Nope, still no email. Okay, that's it for today. Bye.